What if I told you that a basic floor makeover video pulled in more than 350 million views? Yes, you heard correctly, 350 million views, with many other videos gaining thousands of views simply by showcasing AI-powered floor renovations. And here's the exciting part. You can produce the exact same style of viral content using tools that are completely free. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the full process, step by step, showing you precisely how to create these eye-catching floor transformation videos that are currently exploding across social media. I've already recreated one of these viral videos myself using only free AI tools, and I'll be showing you the results shortly. To make a video like this, we'll be using 3 different AI tools, all of which are completely free. I'll explain the role each one plays in our workflow. The first tool is Google Whisk. This is what we'll use to generate our images. You can create a free account using just your email address, and once logged in, you'll be able to generate around 10 images per day, which is more than enough for this method. The second tool is Google AI Studio. This tool helps us analyze a reference video. While this step might seem optional at first, it's actually essential for achieving high-quality, professional-looking results. We need to understand why these videos go viral, and AI Studio helps us uncover that. The third and final tool is Grok AI. This is where our actual videos will be created. You might be wondering why I chose Grok, and the reason is simple. It's completely free right now. No credit card, no trials, just free video generation, which makes it ideal for this tutorial. Now it's time to create our first image. If we want to create these videos, we'll start with a specific prompt that I've already prepared for you. Go to the document that contains all the prompts, and you'll see the base image prompt at the very top. Copy that entire prompt. Next, open Google Whisk in your browser. Once inside, locate the input box where prompts are entered. Click into it and paste the prompt you just copied. Here's a key step you don't want to miss. Since we're creating a vertical video, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, we need to adjust the aspect ratio. Find the aspect ratio option and change it from the default setting to 9:16. This gives us the vertical format that performs best on social platforms. After pasting your prompt and setting the aspect ratio to 9:16, click the Generate button. One advantage of Whisk is how fast it generates images, so you won't have to wait long. Once the image appears, preview it carefully. If it doesn't look right, you can regenerate it for a different variation. When you're satisfied with the result, click the Download button in the top right corner and save it to your computer. Name this file Image1 so everything stays organized. If you'd like to create a different style of transformation, such as an outdoor makeover, a kitchen renovation, or another concept, you can use a reference video to help generate accurate prompts. This technique is extremely powerful. Start by downloading a sample video that matches the transformation style you want. This can come from TikTok, YouTube, or any platform where you've seen a video you like. Once the video is downloaded, go to aistudio.google.com, which is Google AI Studio. Now, pay close attention to this step. You need to change the model selection. Open the model dropdown and choose either Gemini Flash or Gemini Preview. This is very important because models like Nano do not support video uploads. Flash or Preview are the correct choices. Next, click the Upload icon and select your reference video. After the video finishes uploading, type the following command into the prompt field. Analyze in detail every scene of this video, then press Run. The AI will begin examining the video, breaking down the characters, movements, camera angles, transitions, and overall structure. Once the analysis is finished, enter this next command. Create prompts for each scene so that it can be used on AI video creators to produce similar movements and effects. The AI will then generate detailed prompts for each scene. This saves a huge amount of time because you don't have to manually describe every action or transition yourself. With our image and prompts ready, it's time to move on to video generation. Go to grok.com and navigate to the Imagine section where video creation takes place. Log into your Grok account, scroll down, and find the Upload area. Click the Upload icon and select Image1, which we created earlier. you may notice a progress bar appear. Don't worry, this is Grok automatically generating a video using just the image. You can disable this feature in the settings if you prefer. Simply wait until the progress reaches 100%. Once it's complete, paste in your custom prompt. Here's a professional tip. Always begin your prompt with time-lapse scene and end it with sound and action but no background music. This ensures fast, satisfying visuals and clean natural audio without distracting music. Click Generate, preview the video, and download it. Save this file as Scene 1. Import Scene 1 into CapCut. If the result isn't perfect, for example, if the floor color looks off or appears wet when it should be dry, return to Google Whisk and refine the image using a prompt like add a layer of dry black paint across the entire floor surface. Download this updated image and name it Image 2. Upload Image 2 into Grok, enter your second prompt, such as a worker spreading black stones, generate the video, and download it. To create smooth transitions, export a final frame of each scene in CapCut and use it as the starting image for the next video generation in Grok. Repeat this workflow for each transformation stage, pouring liquid silicone, creating a matte surface, polishing the floor to a glossy finish, showing people entering and admiring the completed floor. Continue naming each clip sequentially until you reach Scene 6. Once all scenes are ready, import them into CapCut in the correct order. Since these are time-lapse clips, increase the playback speed anywhere between 1.5 to 5.0 times, depending on how fast and satisfying you want the transformation to feel. Finally, export your completed video. And that's it. This is exactly how you can create a full AI floor transformation video using only free tools. Practice the process, refine your prompts, experiment with different styles, and you'll soon be producing viral content consistently. Best of luck with your creations, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.